Hello everyone, welcome back to the Advanced English course. In today's video, we'll be talking about 10 everyday words, 10 everyday idioms. This is the second video on idioms in this playlist. I'm leaving the link over here. But before that, let me quickly remind that our English speaking club is live on our website, english.learnwithsamash.com. You have to visit the website and I'll be there to completely help you to smoothen this journey of English language. Now, the first word or the first idiom we have is burn the midnight oil. When you work late into the night, when you work throughout the night. She burned the midnight oil to finish her assignment. She worked in the night to finish her assignment. Now, please understand, idioms is the combination of words which has a different meaning altogether from the words itself. Combined together, it means that you worked extremely hard in the night. Next, we have spill the beans. When you reveal a secret or a surprise, don't spill the beans about the party, it's a surprise. Don't reveal the secret, spill the beans. Then we have hit the nail on the head. When you describe exactly what is causing the problem. When you give the exact answer that this is why this is happening. You hit the nail on the head when you said we need more practice. Why we are not able to perform better? Because we did not have enough practice. If you are able to give the exact answer to a problem, you hit the nail on the head. The actual meaning could be that there is a nail and you are hitting it on your head. But since it's an idiom, it means to describe exactly what is happening, what is causing the problem. Next, we have cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. When something is extremely expensive, that designer bag cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. It's really important that you use the idiom properly with all the words in that. If you miss any words, then the meaning is not complete. Next, we have hit the hay. When you go to bed, when you are tired, you want to sleep, you can say, I am going to hit the hay. I'm exhausted, time to hit the hay, time to sleep, time to go to bed. Next, we have back to square one. Start over again. When nothing worked and you are still on the point zero, you can say our plan failed, so we are back to square one. We are at the starting point again. Next, we have keep an eye on. Watch or monitor carefully something. Can you keep an eye on the soup while I answer the door? Can you watch the soup properly? Can you monitor the soup properly so that it does not boil, it does not come out? Next, we have let the cat out of the bag. Again, it means reveal a secret. John let the cat out of the bag about our engagement. He revealed the secret of our engagement to everybody. He let the cat out of the bag. Next, we have bite the bullet. To decide to do something difficult or unpleasant, which you were putting off, which you were procrastinating about. You did not want to do it. But finally, if you do it, it means biting the bullet. I hate the dentist, but I'll bite the bullet to make an appointment. I will finally do it. I hate it, but I will finally do it. Next, we have knock on wood. When you want to avoid bad luck, so you quickly use this phrase by touching the wood. Another word is touch the wood or touch wood. Example, I have never been late for work, knock wood. Tuck, tuck. I don't want to be late. And I have never been late. Now, let's quickly talk about few exercise questions that I have collected for you. Can you dash my bag while I go to the restroom? Hit the hay, keep an eye on, knock on the wood. Can you keep an eye on? Can you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the washroom? Next, it's been a long and tiring day. I'm going to dash. I cost an arm and leg. Let the cat out of the bag or hit the hay. You are tired. So the answer is hit the hay. Next question. We tried a new marketing strategy, but it did not work. Now we are back to square one because nothing worked. So we are starting all over again. Finally, we were planning a surprise party for her, but Sam accidentally burned the midnight oil, spilled the beans, hit the nail on the head. I think he spilled the beans about the surprise. And finally, if you need the free PDF for this, you can write us an email on learnwithsam@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to provide this document to you. I'll catch up in the next video. Till then, enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.